Today I have a Leica Q3 and I'm going to show you how to quickly switch digital zoom levels. Now, with the Leica Q3, in order to switch to the digital zoom levels, the first thing that you have to do is make sure that the camera is on. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera on by simply turning it that way. Now that the camera is on, you can see there's a screen right here. And the digital zoom I have currently is in 35mm. Okay? In order to switch to the next digital zoom level, what I'll have to do is come up to the FN1 button right here, and I'll press this. And when I press this button right here, get out of that mode right here, you'll see that the digital zoom changes. So I'm going to press this, and so currently I'm in 35mm. If I press it again, it goes to 50mm. If I press it again, it goes to 75mm. And I press it again, and it goes to 90mm. And if I press it again, it goes back to the native 28mm right there. So I'm going to go through it again. I'm going to go from right here, I'm in 28mm. If I press it, I go to 35mm. Press it again, goes to 50mm. Press it again, it goes to 75mm. Again, it goes to 90, and I press it one last time, and it is gone to 28mm. And that is how you adjust the digital zoom quickly on a Leica Q3. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.